This might sound a bit creepy, but websites remember you, even if you never log in. Like, have you ever added something to your cart, left the website, and when you came back later, it was still there? So how does it know it's you? It's something called cookies, not the ones you eat. These are tiny files that websites store in your browser. The first time you visit a website, it creates a small ID, like a name tag, and saves it on your device. So, instead of knowing your real name, the website just sees something like user8472 is back. Now let's say you're shopping for shoes. You click on a pair, maybe add it to your cart, but then you leave without buying. That website saves all that info in a cookie. So when you come back later, it reads your cookie and instantly reloads your cart, your preferences, everything. No login needed. But here's where it gets a bit weird. Some cookies aren't just for one website. They can track what you do across multiple sites. So you look at shoes on one site, then go on a completely different website, and suddenly you see ads for the exact same shoes. That's not a coincidence. That's tracking. Websites just remember you by leaving little digital tags behind. Follow for more simple tech tips, because not everyone is a tech nerd.